For those who don't know me. It's going to sound really weird and probably super lame, but I actually think that school's pretty great. And that isn't because, it's school and, you're going to learn stuff and stuff like that, but it's because everyone's different. And it's not the things that, divide us that kind of make us different and that exile us, but I think it's the stuff that brings us together. And it's the stuff that we kind of need to get to through school, and it's the stuff that we kind of come together from. This is basically equated to expression of the self. And in this school we have lots of people who like lots of different things, and that's really great to have in a school community. And this kind of comes to representation. Charles touched on it briefly, but I kind of want to talk about it a little bit more. To have kind of more an equal representation of different interests and different likes and dislikes in the school, I think it would bring a lot of other people together that wouldn't normally come together. It's kind of strange when you look at it that so many people actually have similar likes and dislikes when you kind of get to the bottom of who a person is. Secondly, I want to touch on confidence at school. Everyone has a bad day, and I'm not going to lie and say that I don't either, and I'm sure everyone else can say the same thing. Going through school can be hard for some people, and it can be really easy for others, and having a school community and a school, a really strong foundation at school for people who do struggle, and even people who get through it easily, that can have extra stuff to do because schoolwork isn't kind of challenging them enough, can really help people get through and have a good schooling. I mean, I know a lot of people would appreciate having that extra help and having that extra hand when they can't get through it themselves, or when they need some extra pushing because they strive to learn. Thirdly, I want to talk about how I, as a person and as a school captain, if I did get the position, would encourage creativity and school spirit. Creativity is a really important factor to me when it comes to who a person is, and it doesn't matter whether they lack creativity or whether they have a lot of it. It's just generally how people express themselves and how they apply themselves into an environment. As a school captain, I would like to say that I can listen and then act about what people would like to see in the school and what things they'd like to change. But sometimes that isn't, the last thing I can do. Sometimes we need people